Hello, today we are going to be talking about how to create pages and add them to menus in WordPress. So this is a WordPress site and you can see there is no menu showing. I'm already signed into the dashboard. So let's take a look at the pages that are already on this site. There are only two pages, the privacy policy page and the sample page. So I'm going to create some new pages. So I'll just click on add new. And close this. Let's add title and select, type in about me or about us, and paragraph. So I'm going to go to, I just need some sample text, so I'll go to lipson.com and just select some sample text. Type in some. Then let me just add some image. And then let me just add more content. Okay, so we're done here and I'll click publish. So this is what the page looks like. Okay, so let's go and see the menu. To see the menus, click on appearance and menus. You can see there is a primary menu and secondary menu. The primary menu, secondary menu options depend on the theme. So some theme only have primary menu. So we're going to create a menu and call it main menu and select primary menu and click create menu. Then we're going to add the about us and sample page and add to menu. There are two menus here. We can also add a page for blog posts. That's for posts, and add to menu and click save menu. So this is what the site looks like without menus. If I refresh this page now, it will show this menu. You can see the menu now. You can also change the order of the menus. You can bring the about us here, and if you come back here, you see that about us is now the second item on the menu list. Okay, I didn't save it, so let me save it. So if you come back here, you see that about us is the second menu item here. You can also make hello world a child of about us. So if to do that, just drag it and shift it to the right, and then click save. And when you refresh, you see that hello world is a child of About Us, the sub menu of About Us. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon so that you can receive more videos like this one. Cheers.